Yes, sir, we are live.
Hi guys, how are you all? So, yep, today we will sing Happy Birthday song. Okay, so today we will sing Happy Birthday song for someone's birthday there na, in the whole world. For them, we will sing Happy Birthday song. Okay, so no, I mean not like that. Okay, guys, let's just go ahead and start our this whole class. Uh, hey, hi guys. So how are you all? So this is Sai Kiran from LetsUpgrade, and I just want to say hi, hello to every one of you. We are now on the last day of our Python essentials, and today we are supposed to complete what we say few things. Those things revolve around at least two projects. I had taken a step back in the third project, which has to do with the encryption. Encryption one will take a lot of time, and you guys are even not prepared for that. So I was like, let's so let's just stick to the two projects which we will be focusing on, and we will actually eventually see that how well it can be done. Okay, so one of the project will be revolving around this part that is more to do with our YouTube downloader, which will import some files and all. And the second project is going to be revolving around our Firebase base project. Okay, a Firebase project which will be like use a hospital record management system. Okay, so that's what we will be using. When is the exam? Tomorrow we will be releasing the what we say eligibility list, and the day after tomorrow you guys can start giving your exams. The exam will be of only 15 MCQ based questions, which will test you guys end to end, and at the same time we will be like what we say that it will be there for 3 days live, so you can attend it anytime in the upcoming 3 days from day after tomorrow. Okay, so that's what is there for the examination detail. And let's start our whole thing. I mean, sure, I think attendance form is also provided in the link, right? And sure, we will
Yes,
be
sir.
using the counseling form link in the end of the whole video. So we will just get the counseling form also
Sure, sir,
ready.
sure.
Okay, so yeah, hey guys, so now let's start our whole class. Okay, so I hope that you guys can see my screen right now. I have added. Okay, so first and foremost thing, what we need to do, we need to zoom our screen. Okay, so let's zoom in, and inside this, we have to like start uh, building a kind of a YouTube downloader. Okay, so how to actually get a YouTube downloader? So there are few things which we can actually do for getting a YouTube downloader project. Okay, on our this whole thing. So for a YouTube downloader, let's just go and search in pypy.org. So now, what is pypy.org? First and foremost thing, what is pypy.org? Okay, so let us write down the agenda here. YouTube video downloader. Okay, a YouTube video downloader. So what does this YouTube video downloader actually work is? The work of this YouTube video downloader is very simple. We will be selecting some video from our what we say that from a list of all the videos what we have in YouTube, one of our favorite song or something like that, and then we will be downloading that video to our local machine. Okay, giving this thing. So now, what is this pypy.org? What is this pypy.org? And guys, I just bet that I mean at least 100 people should be there in the stream. Okay, I mean this class. I don't want less than 100. So I think my internet is giving a small
Yes,
problem.
sir. There's a lag in your
Let
voice.
me my internet connection. Just give me 1 minute, Shoaib and Umang.
So everyone, till the time sir is back, kindly please mark your attendances and be prepared for the exam. Exam will be a 15 questions will be there. You will have enough time to answer them. Be a little bit prepared. It's gonna be a basic. It's not gonna be a tough one, but it is also it's for your own testing and your own benefit. So do give the exams as you will get the certificate on the basis of exam. Visit our community website. You will get all the other essential courses as well as advanced courses there. So do pay a visit on our community website and the website also. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
No, no, just be there. Just be there. I'm actually in kind of trouble. Just be there. Okay, I'm actually handling something. So
Okay,
just give me.
so everyone, please try to take a recap of all the lectures that Sir has taught us. Be it, and please do your all the projects along with Sir while seeing the video because it will be helpful for your GitHub profile. All these projects will be very helpful. So do them and put them on GitHub so your profile would be more beneficial. Put your certificates on your LinkedIn profile. It will be beneficial. So do all the stuff that you can do for your own benefit. These courses are for your own benefit. They are free of cost. We have other life courses as well. So do check that out. And attendance link. Everybody, please. Jayesh Kulkarni, I think the exam will be live for 3 days. You can give at any point of time whenever you like it, which is feasible to you. The time can be, there is a long range of time when you can give that. And
Everything will
yeah,
be mentioned in the mail, guys. After the eligibility list, we'll specify everything in the mail. So keep an eye on your mails, and we'll be explaining you everything there. Don't worry.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm actually having a small issue with my this StreamYard.
no, GitHub is not compulsory for exam. GitHub is just a means for your own benefit. Maria Merlin. Yeah, you will get all the details regarding exam on your email IDs, registered email IDs on our website.
Okay. Hey guys, I think I'm back again right now, and I think we guys can start our this whole thing. I'm very very sorry. I mean, I had a small internet glitch, and then my this StreamYard streaming software is not working essentially properly. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it, but yeah. So now, what do you know about PyPy.org? Something which you guys are seeing on this side of the screen. Oh no, no, this side of the screen, right? So now, what is that you guys know about PyPy.org? Okay, so please tell me about what is PyPy.org in the chat. I'm looking to you all guys right now, and I just want to know about this thing so that we can take it ahead accordingly. So please tell me what do you mean by PyPy.org? Okay, so what is GitHub and all? I mean, I will tell you that thing in the end of the class, but just focus on pypy.org right now and get me the answer right now, guys. Okay, so I think sure, ma'am, my internet is totally bad or something like that.
No, sir, it's perfect now.
Am I getting stuck in between or something like that?
No, sir. It's good now. It's great.
Okay, tomorrow live lecture is there or not? Tomorrow no live lecture, guys. Today is the last day, and what we say that today we guys will be like completing like till our project last project, and for that I need every one of you focus here. So what do you mean by pypy.org? Okay, pypy means certainly it's like a Python package manager. Okay, so Python package index. That's what PyPy. Okay, so PyPy is this. Now inside this particular part, so we have a few things that is inside PyPy. We have something like now let's just go and see a YouTube downloader. YouTube downloader. Okay, now what is this PyPy? Okay, what are these libraries? as I mentioned in the very first class of mine, I actually mentioned that you guys can actually use someone's work which someone in the whole world might have done. Okay, किसी ने तो कहीं तो कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया होगा जो आप लेके अपने लिए यूज कर सकते हो. Someone might have made some project somewhere in the world which you can use in your project for certain use cases. The same way, today we are going to understand how to use a project which was made by someone and kept on pypy.org. Okay, so now I just written down YouTube downloader, and I got more than 10,000 plus projects which are there. Okay, so now these all, each and every one of them is a project which we can use. Okay, so for downloading YouTube video. Okay, so now we will be using something like PyTube, something which is on the similar lines of PyTube. So as soon as I have done PyTube, okay, so you guys are able to see something like this, PyTube 10.5.1. Okay, so inside PyTube, what is PyTube? PyTube is this very serious, lightweight, dependency-free Python library for downloading YouTube videos. Okay, so this is what we need for our whole purpose. So what we will do is, we will just take this out of here and start using it. So how can we use it? So we can actually install it with the help of this particular command. Okay, so you can actually take this command and run it with exclamation mark, and you will see Python package is being installed. Okay, so now if at all any kind of problems are being there, if we face any kind of problems inside our this particular PyTube, so we can actually go and refer to this thing also. Sometimes PyPy release becomes slightly outdated. To install from the source with pip, you can use something like this. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually use directly from here also, because they are only mentioning it here. Sometimes what happens is our projects are being released, and our, if at all some code is not been updated inside PyPy, you guys will have a different version. So we guys can actually go and install something like this. Okay, so yep, I think we are on the same page. Okay, so this and this both are on the equal thing. So that's why, I mean, there will be not any kind of issues. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to import this whole what we say that you need to just import this particular PyTube. Okay, from PyTube you need to import YouTube. Okay, so from where I got to know about this code, I got to know about this code from here. Okay, from PyTube import YouTube. Okay, so now from the same thing, okay, what these guys are telling is like just go and get the YouTube instance, and you can actually download the whole thing in one line also. But if you don't want to download it in one line, you can actually specify what you want to download and all. So we will make a little bit changes. Okay, so I mean, okay, guys, let's take a small question answers in the between. So, what any kind of questions right now you guys are having? Guys, I mean, you guys are having any kind of questions? Please ask me right now in the chat, so I can see, sir, your screen is freezing or something like that. Boss, I'm very sorry. I think my internet connection is having a problem. I will get it certainly checked right now. Just give me. In the meantime, you guys are asking me questions. Let me just check. I'm having a low bandwidth right now. I'm literally having a low bandwidth. I don't know why. Okay. So any question? Can't we just import the complete PyTube? Yes, you can import the complete PyTube. But I mean, what I want to use is I just want to use something called a class, which is YouTube, which is there inside PyTube. So I'm just calling this particular class for my purpose. Either you can actually call pytube.youtube and you can call the same thing. You can do it, but for the purpose of us, we are only behind the YouTube class, which is defined inside the pytube. That's why we are directly calling this. Okay, so okay, so a few questions which are like not related to this thing and which are related to some other topics. I will take that in the end of the whole session, but let us just focus on this thing and finish it up. Okay, so now first and foremost thing, let us go to YouTube dot c dot let's upgrade our YouTube channel, and then let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Let us just go and find a video, which video you want to download or something, uh, which kind of what video you want to download. Okay, so I just want to download something like which video you guys should be downloading. Okay, let us download some kind of song. Okay, so this is a song which is there inside it. So I'm just copy link address. I'm just copying the link address and I'm just pasting video URL is equal to this. This is the video URL. Okay, I'm running it. Now what I need to do, I just need to define the YouTube instance. Okay, YouTube, inside YouTube, we just need to pass the video URL. Okay, so yt is equal to video URL, and then we guys were seeing something like this. Okay, seeing something like, I mean, what we say that yt.stream yt.streams.first.download, something like that. Okay, yt.streams.first. First download. That's it. If I do this one single part, what it will do is it will just give me the file. So that easy it is. I can just download it from here. Okay, so now I have my video inside what we say my files folder. Okay, so inside the files folder, I have a video which can be downloaded to my machine. So this easy this whole project is. So you can actually start building this whole project with the help of this. Okay, so you can now download as many videos as you can using this one single Python code. Okay, you don't have to do anything. You just literally have to like what we say that import this pytube library, and inside the pytube library just give the video URL to your YouTube instance and just do this yt.stream something. Okay, so I hope that it had downloaded it. Yes, it had downloaded something in my machine, and yeah, that's the song which I was looking for. Okay, so okay, are there any other packages for apps like Spotify and all? 100% you guys can actually go and check like are there any applications which can be used for Spotify. But yeah, as per me, you guys can actually use it for YouTube a lot. Spotify should be there 100%. If at all, you guys can go and check it. Okay, so you will understand it even more better and you can find something. Let us find something for Spotify. Okay, track info we can get, maybe like Spotify song download. Something is there. Okay, Spotify wrapper, scrap and download the songs. Okay, something is there. Go check it out. I don't know. I'm not this is for educational purpose, guys. I'm just like teaching you all. Don't put any kind of like what is the legal issues to this. Okay, so yeah, it is for that. अभी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मेरे घर के सामने पुलिस आके खड़ी है. Okay, can we create app clone using Python? App clones and all are not possible with the help of Python. With the help of Python, a few things are possible. Those things are more to do with what is it, your script side. You can create invoices. You can create so many things with the help of Python, guys. I mean, it's an amazing thing in itself. Okay, so chalo, now let's go ahead and start building across what we say. Yeah, so this is done. So now let's go ahead. Next project, project number 2. Okay, so I'm first of all, I'm very sorry, guys. I mean, I was like, I'm not giving my 110% input into this batch, I think, because this live stream, I mean live class, because health is not supporting me this time. I don't know what the hell is wrong this time, and that's why you guys may be seeing a little bit low energy and all. So that's the only concern with this. But yeah, you guys can actually see my like, I mean, previous classes or something like that, or like you guys can actually come to my upcoming classes, and I'll make sure that I'm super charged along with Professor Umang Sadhwani and Professor Shoaib Sheikh. Okay, so these two guys will be there, and others will be like, wow. So Umang is like, sir, मेरा अगला project भी आपने confirm कर दिया. Okay, so project number 2 right now, it's like hospital record management system. Okay, hospital record management system, that's what we need to build. So Rahul Chopra is asking a question: can we make what we say? Can we edit videos via the help of Python? Yes, you can do it. You can do some kind of like videos, trimming down and other stuffs in the help with the help of Python. Just explore the libraries which are there. Okay, and what we say that now going on Radhe Shyam, a trailer we can download, teaser we can download it, trailer is not yet released. And can you please demonstrate a website with Django or something? Guys, I mean Django websites and all those projects, a session are gonna be inside our build with Let's Upgrade section. You guys can, I mean, enroll for our build with Let's Upgrade projects in the upcoming time. We will also send you all the mails when this project session is going to happen. This project is going to happen essentially on 13th of March. We will very soon release the registration page and all. Currently, if at all you're interested, okay, if at all you are interested in the data science field, you can just register for our data science project session, which is going to happen on 6th of March. Okay. Okay, now let's go ahead. And start building hospital management system. Okay, for this whole project, we need something known as a Firebase. Okay, what is Firebase? Firebase is something which has been used for developing successful apps, kind of like which has real time, what we say, real time database, real time authentication, real time everything else. Okay, so wherever you guys want to use a real time database or something like that, there you can use Firebase. Okay, so I love essentially Firebase. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change my account, and inside my account I'm just going to go to the console. So I'm just going to the console here. So inside the console, I'll create a new project. I will name it hospital record management. Okay, so continue. Hospital record management is a project name. You can give any name. Okay, so these are some analytics and all. You can select any one of your default account and you can create it. So this is which link is not opening, Neha? Can you just please press like what we say, describe it in the chat or something. Okay, by the way, guys, we are setting up our project, which is going to be a real-time hospital record management system. We will give an input and the whole output will be shown in Firebase. It is everything going to be happen in real time. So it's very, very simple what you guys need to do. So first of all, tell me what is Firebase, guys. Just please tell me what is Firebase. In the meantime, in the chat, I will explain you that in more detail in the upcoming thing. But please tell me what do you mean by Firebase? Okay, please tell me what do you mean by Firebase. In the chat, or do you know what is a Firebase, or do you know what is a real-time database? We will be using something known as the Cloud Firestore. Before that, we need to do is just go to project settings and go to service accounts. Okay, project settings. Step number 1, create Firebase project. Step number 2, go to project settings and service account. Step number 3, create service account. Okay, just create a service account and inside Python generate key. That, so we have generated a key. Now go to your collab, Google Colab. Step number 4, upload this file. Okay, so we have uploaded the file here. Okay, copy the path of the file. Now we need to do certainly few things. Okay, import 2-3 libraries. First and foremost thing is import 2-3 libraries. So I'll be importing it this. Okay, so it's like import Firebase admin and import credentials auth and Firestore from Firebase admin. So these are the 2 different calls which I want to import inside the Google Colab. Okay, so attendance link is there, right? I mean, hey everyone, so attendance link is there in the chat, I think. So just please check it out and tell me that thing if at all you are getting the attendance link in the chat box, yes or no, please tell me. Okay. Okay, nowadays Firebase can be used for storing and access the database to store credentials of the user. Yes, it's something, right? It's something on the similar lines, but you need to define it even more. So Firebase is a kind of a online, not only a database. Okay, it's not only a database, it is much more than that. Okay, you guys can actually do the user authentication using Firebase. You guys can actually what we say that store some files in Firebase. You guys can do much more things with the help of Firefox. Many things you can do with the help of Firebase. So this is one of the essential thing what we are going to do right now. Okay, so import Firebase admin. Oh. And after that, what we'll do is we'll just copy this line. Okay, so yes, we have already those 2. So we'll just copy this particular thing and we'll paste it here. Okay, and what we'll do, we need to get the path. Copy the path, and inside the path, okay, so here we have it. Okay, so we have what we say a Firebase full app initialized. Okay, a Firebase app initialized. The same way, we just need to mention something known as store. Store is equal to, we have taken here, right? Firestore. So Firestore dot client, 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 and just start it. Okay, so yeah, so that's what this whole thing is. My screen is dancing. I don't know why it is dancing here in the what we say in the live stream. I'm seeing it, right? So it is kind of dancing. Okay, so okay, so now store is equal to Firestore. That's what. So this is what you guys need to do for calling Firebase. So now, what will happen? So what will happen? So we'll just go to Cloud Firestore here. Okay, and now we just have to do is create database, start in test mode or something like that. It's created, enable. So what is the brief explanation about Firebase? So Firebase is a whole Firebase is a system which is used for storing a lot of data, a NoSQL database. It provides you. So Firebase is designed around keeping what do you say, mobile applications in the mind. Okay, mobile developers in the mind. So you guys don't want to develop APIs. You guys don't want to develop a very heavy database and all those structuring, right? So you want to actually fatafat deploy a product into the market. Now you guys are a software developer who are working in Google or who are working in some big companies, and you guys have only like 2 days to build a project from end to end and deploy it and showcase it to the people, and they should use it. So you can't waste your time on creating APIs, and you don't have that much time to think about the end application. That's where this Firebase as a system is being used. Okay, so Firebase gives you the potential of what we say database, authentication, storage, hosting, machine learning algorithms. You can be start you deploying it. So many more things you can do with the help of Firebase, and that's what the beauty of this whole thing is. So now we will be storing something inside Firebase. So we guys are onto a project that is hospital record management system. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just do a part of it, and I'll just give you a assignment to complete the other part. Okay. So the part of the assignment is going to be, I will just create, you guys can keep on adding the patient entries inside our Firebase. So first of all, uh, step number two. Step number two is to take the customer entry or something like that. Patient entry. Okay. So take a patient's entry and uh,
Second, I guess, lost connection.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just get in touch with sir, guys. Give me a minute.
Neha, the attendance link is working fine. You can check that again and refresh your internet connection.
Yes, sir, we cannot hear you.
So you're not audible.
hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, my mic got disconnected, I think. Okay, that we'll check later. So take the patient's entry. So what we will do inside taking the patient's entry is, so we will just create a function df take entry or something like that, and inside this we will ask people name and all. Okay, name is equal to input. What all things we should take for patient's record? Okay, what all things we should take for a patient's record? Okay, so we should take details like what we say, enter the name of the patient. Okay, and then afterwards, what else? Age. Please tell me in the chat what all things we should take from a patient. Okay, age. Then afterwards, what all things we should take? उसके अलावा और क्या है? नेक्स्ट 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 reason why they want to admit or something like that.
Gender, sir.
Okay, gender. Fine. And then afterwards there is some problem. Doctor name. Yeah, doctor name, I also agree. No, doctor name, no. I mean, one of the things which is very much as an address. Okay, we should take the address. And yeah, so these are few things which are required. So now what we will do is we will just define a empty dictionary. Okay, PATIENT, patient is equal to empty dictionary. What we will do is we'll just take patient and we will take each one of them as an object of the dictionary. Okay, so we'll take each one of them and put them as an object of the dictionary. Now everything is getting entered into a dictionary, and now what we will do is like we will return patient. Okay, so this is what our take entry function does. So this is going to return us a dictionary out of this whole thing. Okay, so that's the thing now. And now okay, yes, we should take patient's mobile number also. Let us take it. Okay, so these are the few things which we should take. And after taking this all the data, it should be stored inside a database. Okay, it should be stored inside a database. So where it should be stored? Okay, so after taking this, for storing this into the database, what we'll do is we'll make one more function. The function is going to be like def store data to Firebase, something like that. And afterwards, what we'll do is like first of all, we will take entry. We will call this function, and we will get some data out of it. PT is equal to patient. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I think my camera again got disconnected. Yep, I think now I may be kind of visible. Yep, I am visible. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know why the hell this is. Okay, age should be an integer. Okay, good. Who is that person? Rahul Chopra had mentioned. Okay, so now we are just running this function. PT is equal to take entry. We are taking the entry, and after taking the entry, what we will do is we will just store it. Store dot collection. Inside the collection, that is patient data. Okay, and dot add. Okay, dot add this PT. Simple. Okay, so that's the thing. So whenever store data to Firebase, okay, store data to Firebase, whenever this function has been called, it will ask us. Like what's the patient name. Patient's name can be like anything, like for example, let us take ADC. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I need So I'm in a class, I'll just call you back. So I'm in a class, I'll call you back. Okay. So, oh, something went wrong. ABC. What happened? Ah, we have done a mistake. The mistake is this. Okay. The mistake is this. We need to keep it inside what we say, this thing. Should keep it like this, and now it should not give anything. You can't. I know now, Umang, today my energy is totally low, right? People may not even be able to connect, right? Whatever I'm doing.
Yeah, sir, but I think we have.
Okay, so now let us just put my name, okay, Sai Kiran, and age of the patient, let us put 40-year-old or 45, 40 something year old, and enter the reason for of the patient, headache, actually headache plus fever. This is something my real symptoms right now. Mail, my address, Navi Mumbai. Oh, Navi Mumbai, and enter the mobile number, some mobile number. As soon as I enter this thing, so see, nothing is here, right? Nothing is here in the real-time database, okay? Nothing is here in this real-time database. Now, let us see what happens into this, okay? Now, let us see what happens into it, okay? Even I'm refreshing, nothing is there as of right now, okay? So, just see it clearly. I mean, see it yourself. Nothing is there. And let us just go ahead and enter it. Once I enter this thing, you will see. I just refresh it once, okay? Because it's a new collection which is getting created. That's why it will not happen in real time changes and all. But you will see something known as patient's data, and this data is getting entered here. Okay, name, reason, may, okay, everything. Fine. So now let us run it one more time. Again, Sai Kiran. Okay, 20. It's not my real age, by the way. Okay, reason. Again, let us put fever. Then afterwards, mail, address, Navi Mumbai. Okay. Then afterwards, mobile number is equal to. Okay. So now see, guys, one coolest stuff. Okay. So let me now stop sharing my screen and let me do something weird. Okay, so I'll again reshare my screen. I want to show you something which is amazing. Okay, Chrome tab, know your entire screen. I've shared my entire screen and I'm taking it out. I want to see how real. I want to show you how real time this whole thing works. Okay, so let's little bit take it. Okay, so now as soon as I enter this, you will see an entry here. Okay, so this fast, this whole thing works. Okay, so now even if you just go ahead and again enter it, something like this. What happened here? uh I have a error. Okay, so 10-year-old, something, it is entered. Okay, so this whole thing works. Okay, that's why each and every one of us should be learning how to actually use this part. Okay, that's how I mean amazing this whole Firebase is. Now I'm just giving you guys a small homework. The homework is to like make this project fully. I will share you this whole thing. Okay, there is something known as documentation of this whole part. Oh, shit. Okay, you guys can actually go to docs, and inside the documentation you guys can actually go for any documentation, and you can see that how you can read it. For example, cloud firestore, how to read data from the uh, database, and how to write to the database. You can do every part of it using this part. Okay, there are codes you will get, so you can experiment with this, and that's how amazing this whole part is. Okay, so you guys can actually try it out, and it's going to be an amazing project. I don't know, did you like it? Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat. Did you guys understood it? What I have done? And please tell me in the chat if at all you have understood whatever I have done with the help of Firebase. For hospital record management system, we were using Firebase, which is essentially a full big database management system, which you all guys can use inside what we say that, okay, inside this thing. And that's how fast it is, and you guys can make a small functions out of it, and you can start doing. So that's the whole thing, guys. Thanks a lot, and we will be like connecting you all on a later on part. And now in the very final thing I just wanted to speak about is, I just wanted to talk about it very frankly, that is, many of you guys may be thinking to upgrade their career inside Python. So whatever we guys have provided till now, it's the kind of a trial pack, a trial version of something which is very big. That is a full stack program which we guys are offering right now. So it's a no, it's what we say. It's a 420 to 30 hours of live program plus assignments and everything involved in it. So it's a 430 hours of program with personal one-on-one mentorship, with a lot of interviews scheduled for you guys to crack, and a lot of like what we say projects you guys will be building. So this is segregated in 3 levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, which we sell under the brand of like full stack program for Python, which is 2,800 rupees per month for 9 months. You guys can take, if at all you are interested in enrolling in this program, which is a what is it? It's a total 9 months of program, 6 months of learning, and 3 months of placement support from Let's Upgrade side using our AI-based portal for jobs. So that's what it is, guys. And please let me know. I mean, you guys can actually go and register for, if at all you're interested in this. You can letsupgrade.in/council, COUNSEL. So now I'm sure we can show it in the banner image right now, council link. So this is the particular form. Just fill it up, and we will get in touch with you for the counseling thing. It's letsupgrade.in/council. Just fill the form, and we guys will be getting back to you for this whole thing. Okay, so that's what this whole thing is all about, and that's it, guys. And yeah, so that's what I just wanted to speak about, and we are here to make you guys pro in something. One-stop solution for being a Python pro. Nothing else is required. In this 420 hours, you guys can take it from zero to the hero of Python. Yeah. So that's what, guys. And I can share you this whole Google collab. I'll share it with the Shoaib, and Shoaib can take it ahead. The one thing which you guys can do right now is what we say, take it to another level with the help of one part, that is implement read functionality to this, and also write option and all. So read and write to your particular project. You can do this all things inside this hospital management system, and you can take it ahead. So yeah, that's what you guys can take it. Now, what's the eligibility criteria for the examination? The eligibility criteria of your examination is to give what we say attendance on each and every day. So if at all you are putting down the attendance each and every day, you will be eligible for the examination. Previously, we used to do assignments are the eligibility criteria for your exam, but right now it is this thing. And yeah, so that's what it is, guys. Thanks a lot, and we will be meeting you all in our upcoming programs and in our upcoming Build with Let's Upgrade projects. All the best for your exam, and on your exam date, it's going to be a 3-day exam which you can give any point of time. It's a 90 minutes, not 90 minutes. It will be essentially 20 minutes. You have a small, I mean, a MCQ which you need to pass on. It's a 20-minute thing, and yeah, so that's what it is. Bye bye. Take care. And I'm very sorry for all. I have not done this batch the justice which I do to everything. You guys can again enroll for our 22nd March program of Python. We will be there again teaching. Today, I think. Not I think, I mean, I'm not teaching as I teach in other classes. Okay, so yeah, very very sorry guys, but yeah, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, good night, and reach out to us for our full stack programs, and we will be reaching out to you for all the feedbacks and all. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.